So I'm going to do contour drawings of these two ground cherries today. I'll set them up where I can see them, but I wanted to show them to you up close. So like any drawing, you could do a quick version or a much more careful, detailed, completed drawing. So for now, I'm going to demonstrate a quick drawing of the basic contours of the ground cherry that's closed. And sort of like the blind contour drawing, I'm almost entirely looking at the object I'm drawing and then checking the page every now and then, almost like whiplash to capture accurately what I'm seeing. So mostly I'm spending that time seeing the thing that I'm drawing. And then I do have some correcting lines because I didn't quite get it perfect the first time, which is just how it is, which is why we build up those lines. And as quickly as I can, I'm going over the whole form to establish the lines that I see. And then now I want to go ahead and erase out the lines that aren't true or right. And make sure that I am as accurate as I can be. In the lines where I'm struggling, it's okay because I'm just going to go back and erase it out. And even when I'm building up my thinking lines to find those sort of searching lines to find the real lines, I'm thinking about contour and I'm tracing, following some of the subtle lines that I can observe to build up that sense of dimensionality. Um, so I try to make every line count, even though it can feel a bit scribbled sometimes, or look a bit scribbled. We now have the basic outline of the ground cherry there. But I want to move it and draw it again to really practice getting to know the contours of this line, the contours of this fruit. Here I move on to the round part of the fruit. So I'm drawing the basic shape, but then I'll soon not just do the outline contour, but the cross contours. So I'm really trying to follow every which way that the curves lead to build up that sense of dimension. I'm not trying to show a shaded object, I'm just trying to give a sense of dimension. Then I pick up this piece of charcoal, moving away from the 6B pencil I was using, and use a much softer, darker piece of charcoal, which leaves a heavier line quite easily. And I'm not just using the point, I'm using the wide part of this small piece of charcoal. And then I blended it, I smudged it out, and now I'm drawing with the eraser, so pulling out highlights to show contours. I also use the eraser just to clean up that outer smudgy area to define the shape itself and keep those outer contours a little bit more crisp. So then I bring the charcoal back just to reinforce some of those outer contour lines and the inner ones. And these are very quick, simple contour drawings. They're not getting super detailed, but I think they give you a little bit of a sense of them.